Sanford is home.
How's it going, everybody? Welcome to Sanford Goes Places. And yeah, this last week's corned beef and Carnage run was pretty awesome. And we came back with a little bit of damage and some more things to add to the list. But yeah, we'll go over a few things I'm gonna do on her. First on the list is my steering. Yeah, it's my tie rod's completely bent. My hydro assist, that ram in there is bent. It's yeah, I got a little tweak on her, nothing major, but yeah, I've been fighting with this steering and stuff and changed boxes and did a bunch of things, and I think it's time to just go to full hydro and get rid of all this mess. So that's on the list. I'm gonna go completely through the front end, rebuild it, re-gear it. It needs some freshening up. I got leaky axle seals on both sides and pinion seals leaking, and it's had a pretty good beating, so that's on the list. We're gonna move my battery box. It's the fender caught it, and actually it caught it again, and this corner here it was bent down, and after reader it's straightened back out again, so it fixed itself. Next, I'm gonna cut the rear fenders so I can run the 42 Treps. They're considerably bigger than 42-inch IROCs, and they will rub my tub. So I'm going to cut out the inner fender and raise it up almost to the top of the tub here and get it so those will clear. And I'm really thinking about stretching this thing. I'd like to put a doubler in it, and if I could stretch it 8 inches, and I'll stretch the body and everything, it'll look the same, just a little longer, like an LJ. But I've been thinking a lot about it, so I might get on that, and I think that would help out for quite a bit. I'm a 104-inch wheelbase. If I get up to 110, I'd be pretty happy for Northwest wheeling anyway. So yeah, we'll see. Yeah, let me know in the comments what you think, if I had to stretch it or leave it the same or what. But it works good now, but I just definitely think a little more wheelbase would help it out a bit. So that's on the list. Another thing on the list is this winch. It's a winch. I don't know. It's something cheap that I think was on it, or I don't know. I had it laying around, but it got thrown on in a hurry to just get one on there. And I've been wanting something old school to kind of just go with the old build that this is. And so yeah, here a little bit ago, I picked up this worn 8274, and it's in good shape, and I think it'll fit it great. I'm going to peel it off this bumper and probably get rid of that, but get that slapped on there, and it'll take a little change, and I want to actually sink it down below and mount it coming off the bottom so that this is, you know, it sits a little lower in there and gives me still some good airflow to the radiator. So that'll take a little redoing. So I got quite a list before we do our next trip, so I'm going to have to get pretty hot on it and stay busy. So yeah, please like and subscribe. We try and keep the content coming. So yeah, we enjoy everybody that's viewing us and supporting it. So thank you very much.